Ideal application. This stylish surface mount door latch is ideal for out-swinging metal and wood doors. 125 inches -2, thick. The door handle is non-handed for left or right-handed doors. No lockout. Includes a night latch that features no lockout technology, eliminating the worry of accidentally locking yourself out. Durability. Quality and durable construction ensures reliable everyday use on your storm or screen door. Ready to install. All installation hardware is included. The latch also has a mounting hole with 1.75 inches spacing. Comes with matching interior and exterior levers, with a keyed built-in deadbolt for added security. Clean, subtle look. Matching interior and exterior finishes eliminate the need to match paint colors. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement. Well made and easy to install. Timing of delivery was excellent. I ordered it in the afternoon and it was delivered the next morning by 7:30 a.m. I had it installed by 8:30 a.m.